Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 1970 Plymouth Duster. It's got a 360 motor, just rebuilt. Actually, this thing's restored really well from the ground up, rust-free body. You're not going to lose this thing in a parking lot. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs. Look at all the pictures, top to bottom. You also will find price tags on every car, along with a monthly finance payment as well, if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a cool hot rod. It's got a look to it, and the quality is there. It's really a nice car. Underneath, it's rust-free. It's not got layers of undercoat, just nice, clean, dry metal, frame rails, rockers, just nice, clean metal under the car. Has a pipes dual exhaust system. It's a stainless system with the X pipe, stainless mufflers. It's 2.5 inch, comes all the way out the back with some nice stainless tips. You'll hear how it sounds towards the end of the video. It's got 10-inch drum brakes all around, new brake hoses. Suspension and steering look real good. Up front, all the steering components look very fresh. I know he just replaced the steering box, the shocks, the springs, the sway bar. That was all just replaced. In back, it has new Mopar leaf springs and it has air shocks. The fuel tank looks like it's been replaced. It's not brand new, but it's very clean, looks pretty fresh. You look up at the motor, there's only 500 miles on the motor, so it's spotlessly clean. Has the casting number right on the side saying it's a 360. It has an anodized oil pan. It has a high torque starter. It's a 904 torque flight automatic that also was just rebuilt 500 miles ago. So underneath the car is rust-free and very well sorted and dialed in. The body is also rust-free. It was just professionally painted at a shop nearby here. It does real good work. Let's check it out. The hood is straight. We got the scoops on here. There's a little dent from underneath. I'm sure a dent guy can easily fix that. This is all straight, fits nicely. Side of the car is real straight. Clean lines, all nice and smooth along the bottom. No rust, no damage. It's all smooth, all nice. Nice gaps. The roof is in excellent shape, no issues, all straight, no problems. Clean, even underneath here. All nice body. Trunk fits real nice. The corners are lined up. The body's looking really good. This side's just as straight. I don't think this is sublime green. I'll have to check the color code, but obviously it's this bright green color. I think it's Go Man Go green, possibly. It's a little bit darker than sublime. But anyway, it's a high impact popping color. Has a very smooth, glossy finish. I don't see cracking or checking or issues. The paint's looking really slick. I don't see any problems with the paint. You could wet sand and buff it one more time to make it like glass. There's a little texture, a little dust in the paint here and there. Probably better than the paint on the brand new car sitting in your driveway. And then it has the white stripes down the side. Really give it a little more pop. The bumpers are new. So that's a beautiful bumper. The grill area is good. It's not cracked or beat up or broken, but it has a little age, but it's cleaned up nicely. All the glass is new except for the pop-out quarter windows. With the door glass, front and rear glass, that's new. The stainless trim looks like they buffed it. Nice and straight and shiny. Door handle's been replaced. Moldings on top of the doors here have been polished. They're nice and shiny and straight. Tires and wheels are new. They're Jegs aluminum wheels. I think they've been powder coated. but there's not even 500 miles on the tires and wheels. Back bumper's been rechromed. Here's the white striping here. Tail lights are blacked out. Yeah, it's looking really sharp. New glass with the Mopar logo on it. All right, why don't we open it up? Take a tour of the inside. See what the trunk looks like. Yeah, nice, clean, rust-free metal that's been painted green, just as nice as the outside of the car. Obviously under the trunk lid, the jamb, and the whole trunk compartment. This is nice, smooth, glossy green paint. Underneath here is where the spare tire would be, but the old tires were so skinny, a new modern tire is too wide. And you can buy a rubber mat if you so decide to put in here. The weather strip's new. Okay, the door jambs are all painted real nice. Under the door's clean. And like I said, the weather strips, window seals, those were replaced. Now the inside door frame is painted. The door panel is replaced. Looks like original handles and cranks. The dash, all real nice. Whole new set of white face gauges, including the tachometer. 433 miles on it since it's restored. The wood grain looks new. Just clean. Nice, clean dash area here. New glove box liner. Kick panels are nice. Carpet's been replaced. Has a Pro-Matic Hurst slapstick shifter. We got bucket seats. They feel nice and firm. The cushion's been replaced in them. Been reupholstered. I don't know where the button is. Oh, there we go. Back seats also nice and firm and upholstered. Got some 6x9 speakers back there. Headliner was replaced. There's a few wrinkles in it, and it looks like the lens cover may have fallen off. But it is a new headliner. Visors and mirror look nice. Steering wheel is not worn. So very tidy. The whole car is tidy, inside and out, and in the trunk, and door jambs. It's tidy everywhere. See what this motor looks like. It is a good running 360. And it was just rebuilt. It was line board. The crank was reground. There's a cam and lifters in there. Reconditioned rods. It's a dual plane aluminum intake. It's new. The heads were rebuilt. Has a new fancy looking polished carburetor on there. Don't know what brand that is offhand, but it's a nice looking carb. It's a nice Edelbrock breathers and air cleaner. The engine bay is all nice, clean, metal painted white. We got a bottle of Jim Beam here, used for the overflow. The horns are hooked up. It's a new 3-core aluminum radiator with the shroud. Battery is secured properly. Just very, very tidy, clean, nice. The heater is bypassed. I don't know if the heater core leaks, but the heater hoses are not going into the car. Under the hood's painted real slick. So there you have it. Like I said, it's just a tidy car. Look at this. The jambs are spotless. The rubber's soft. The glass is clear. Tires and wheels are new. Clean underneath. Clean everywhere. Door shuts real nice. So it's a very nice car, ready to go to any cruise night or car show. It's got a look. It's got a sound. fun to drive. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door, and they'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and then click on the bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.